This clinch knot is the first fishing knot that I ever used, and I still use it to this day. I'm using this alligator hook and a 50-pound tri-ling line for demonstration purposes only. Now loop it around 7 or 8 times, but for demonstration, I'm only doing 5. Now bring it back through the middle loop towards the main line. Go ahead and cinch it up a little bit, not too much. But you absolutely want to use spit or water to lube that up, or it will burn the line. Go ahead and cinch it tight. What a great and simple knot.